Hello everyone! Today I'm happy to introduce the Lenovo Legion Y25g-30 Professional Esports Gaming Monitor to you. The Legion Y25g-30 360Hz NVIDIA G-SYNC Professional Gaming Monitor takes esports players and pro gamers to next level with lower system latency and a superior smooth gaming experience. The 24.5-inch IPS panel Full HD resolution display is the ideal size to help esports users concentrate on game content. It is just the right size for select games and professional players, providing the best balance between clear picture quality and control of the overall playing field. The Y25g Professional Gaming Monitor features a world-leading 360Hz refresh rate and 1 millisecond extreme response time to deliver a super smooth gameplay experience. The 360Hz gaming monitor is 2.5 times faster than a normal gaming monitor. It can show more action in 1 second to minimize ghosting and gives you a clear image while reducing latency to shorten user response time. With NVIDIA G-SYNC technology, the Y25g provides an amazing gaming experience for enthusiasts and pro-level gamers. G-SYNC dynamically matches the refresh rate of the display to the frame rate output from the GPU. It can make sure there are no artifacts on screens, lowers latency for gameplay, eliminates screen tearing and stuttering, and provides vivid color. NVIDIA Reflex technology delivers the ultimate competitive advantage. Working with G-SYNC, it delivers the best responsiveness by shortening the render queue to minimize system latency. Connect the monitor with the NVIDIA GeForce graphic card PC and specified accessories via the monitor USB hub. With compatible games, this monitor can become your most powerful weapon to help you win in the game. The RGB lighting on the Y25g helps you optimize the gaming atmosphere. Users can customize the lighting effects through the Artery software. The smart lighting can also change dynamically according to screen content, sound, keyboard and mouse movement. This gaming monitor has equipped a thoughtful design that allows users to adjust the monitor to the most comfortable position and hang their headphones on the headphone holder to save space. Multiple video inputs allow users to connect more devices to the monitor. The USB Type-C ports on the monitor can deliver power charging and data transfer to compatible USB-C devices. The 99% sRGB high color gamut, Delta-E less than 2 color accuracy, low blue light mode, and flicker-free display all provide an outstanding viewing experience. The Lenovo Y25g, our professional esports gaming monitor, is specially designed for you. Hope you can fully enjoy the moment of victory. Have fun!